welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I'm bringing you part 1 of my Peru vlogs. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, which if you don't, you should, but if you guys don't follow me, you might not know that I was recently in Peru with Contiki. So Contiki is the #1 social travel company for people aged 18 to 35. So the Contiki trip that I went on is their Peru Uncovered trip. This specific trip was in their collection that visits the 7 wonders of the world. So obviously I saw Machu Picchu. It was amazing. You guys will see that in part 2 of the vlogs. I did so much while I was in Peru. That's why I have 2 separate vlogs from the trip, but I did so much. Everything from visiting markets to going on hikes to seeing alpacas to staying in a rainforest lodge. Seriously, so much, and it wouldn't have been possible without Contiki. I literally have no idea how I would have planned a trip to Peru. It would have been so difficult, so Contiki made it so easy. So like I said, not only does Contiki do a great job of connecting like-minded travelers, but now you guys can visit the 7 wonders of the world with them. Traveling can be hard, it can be stressful, and a lot of the times planning your traveling is the worst part. So having a group like Contiki that does that for you while bringing you people your age is amazing. So now that I've told you kind of what Contiki is, basically I went on the trip with them and I brought Natalie Barbu, another YouTuber, and we had a lot of fun. So I'm gonna stop blabbing now and get on into the daily vlogs. Yay guys, we made it to Lima. Natalie's in the bathroom right now. We are in the hotel room. I'm so tired. I got like barely 2 hours of sleep, but I think we're doing a little walking tour of Lima first. So I'm excited for that, and I will of course be showing you all around. Natalie's afraid of birds, so she's like spazzing. Comment down below if you're afraid of birds, because I have so many friends that are, but honestly I think pigeons are kind of cute. When you're single AF. Natalie and I were just saying that this is like the Santa Monica of Peru. It really does kind of look like it.
No, it seriously looks exactly like Santa.
And then there's that. Guys, this little plaza is so cute. Love the old library. It's so pretty. I wish it wasn't so gloomy, but I love this little section. Natalie and I are going to wander around and find some lunch somewhere.
I'm like right behind you.
Natalie and I came to a little cafe and I got some chowder and she got a quesadilla, and then we also got some lattes that are super good. So we're gonna dive in, but this place is super cute. My first time trying the Inca Cola.
I want to try it too.
Oh, and it smells like bubblegum. Oh.
Anyone else would like to take a look at the drink?
It's good. It tastes like bubblegum. Want to try?
Yeah. Oh, I don't like it. It doesn't taste like bubblegum.
Trying our first Cusco salads. Cheers.
Yeah. No one knows. I don't think you should talk.
Okay guys, so it is the end of day 1 in Lima. We have a super early flight tomorrow to go to. I'm gonna have Natalie say it because I can't roll my R's.
Arequipa.
Exactly. Yeah, we have to get up at like 5, or no, we have to eat breakfast at 5:30. And you guys know I slept 2 hours last night, so that's gonna be nice and interesting. But yeah, we're going there tomorrow and exploring that city a bit. And yeah, good night. Day 2, finally at the airport. Got a coffee, looking like a toe. Let's go. We made it to Arequipa. Ignore my inability to roll my R's, but this is actually a volcano. On top is actually ashes. It's not snow. So it's super cool. Such a cute lunch spot.
Like photos of stuff I'm doing in Snapchat.
We just got to our second hotel and it's super cute. Looks like this. And we're gonna go find our room now. This is our view out the window. There's a pool here and everything. It's so cute. Hello guys, we are now in the main square area of Arequipa. It's super pretty and cute here. I found a pharmacy and I bought melatonin because I forgot to bring mine and I couldn't sleep again last night. I get myself like super worked up when I know I need to sleep and then I don't sleep, so hopefully this will help. But like I said, this area is super pretty, so I'm really excited to show you guys. This is so pretty, guys, and you can see the volcano slash mountains behind it, but I love it. And there's a fountain in the middle. I'll show you guys closer up as well. Look how pretty. And here's the rest of the park. We have our free time now, so we're kind of just walking around. I think we're gonna go back to the hotel so I can shower and stuff and regroup, and then we're gonna find a place for dinner. But yeah, this is super pretty. Guys. Good morning, guys. It is day 3, I think, and I just got up and got ready. Finally don't look like a toad. But today we are going to Colca Canyon, and I'm really excited because at some point in the day we're going to hot springs, which I've always wanted to do forever, so I'm excited about that. I'm wearing like a cuter outfit today, like jeans and this tank top, and we are about to go down and get some breakfast. I think we're gonna be on the bus a lot of today, so we'll see what footage I get, but either way I know I'll be filming some stuff and I will show you once I do. We just stopped at a little store and I got this alpaca beanie. I thought it was so cute, and then some coca leaves to help with the altitude, as well as some water. And now we are on our journey to higher altitude. Look at these little guys. Guys, oh my gosh. We just made it to the highest point of our journey. We are 4,900 kilometers above sea level. I have like a bit of a headache.
Yeah, she said 4,010.
I think she said, oh well,
whatever.
It's 4,000 something. I have a bit of a headache, but it's not that bad. Honestly, it's like the slightest hangover feeling. But here we are. Hello guys, I just filmed this whole clip and then realized it wasn't recording. But I'm on my phone right now because we're clearly in water, and if I dropped my camera in the water I would probably cry a lot. So I'm on my phone. We are currently in these pools that are actually filled with water from hot springs, so it's totally natural and naturally heated, which is super cool.
Yeah, if you freaks are not to watch me during these clips, I'm literally like staring at
so it's like 75 degrees Celsius. It feels so good. It's nice to like relax because everything so far has been really like go, go, go. So it feels really nice and the view is really nice. There you go. Good morning, guys. I didn't vlog yesterday because we had a bus day. It was about a 7-hour drive here to Puno. I just woke up and got ready. I'm so tired. My nose is so plugged, I think from the altitude, that I can't breathe when I sleep. So I'm super tired, but I'm trying to rally. Today we are driving to Lake Titicaca, which is like the funniest name ever. I don't care if I'm being like 12 for saying that, but I'm pretty sure we're going to some floating islands, which will be really cool. So I'm gonna bring you guys along for that. This is our ride for today. Whee! My eyes are watering. We're currently on floating islands made out of these reeds, which are super cool, and there's whole communities on here. Seriously, so amazing to see something like this. This is one of the houses. Natalie's afraid of birds.
¿Hablan español un poco?
Sí, un poco.
Sí, esta es mi casa. Acá vivimos 5 personas. Tengo 3 niños, yo, mi esposo. Yo me llamo Mari, mi esposo se llama Percy, el mayor mi hijo se llama Juan, el menor Derly, el pequeño Alex. 3 varones. Gracias por la visita. Yo estoy muy alegre, contento. Camine como en sus casas. Pueden sacar fotos, lo que quieran. Acá no hay problema, no cobramos. Acá los blankets, ustedes ven, es de mis niños.
We just got to another island. This one is clearly not floating, but we hiked up to the top and this is the view. It's so pretty. Hello, and here's the rest of the group. Hello guys, it's a lot later now. Natalie and I are currently in the hotel. We have eaten and I'm all showered. We stopped by this little place on the street and got these little desserts. We are about to watch The Bachelorette because we had to catch up. But I just wanted to end off today's little vlog segment. Tomorrow I think we are driving to Cusco, so I'm unsure if I will be vlogging tomorrow because I think it's gonna be a lot on the road, but we will see. And yeah, see you guys in the next place. Hello guys, it is day 1 in Cusco. I didn't vlog yesterday because, like I said, it was basically a bus day all day, but we just got ready. Natalie's over there. And I think today we have like a walking tour with the group and then we have free time. So we're gonna walk around and explore a little bit. I'm excited because we got to see a little bit of the city last night and it looks really cool. So yeah, I will update you guys. So we just finished our little group walking tour. We went to San Pedro Market. It was kind of hard to film just because our guide was talking for a lot of it, but I'll insert the clips that I took here. Back in the main square of Cusco, as you can see, and we're about to go grab some lunch because we're starving.
So hungry.
We literally feel like lightheaded. We're so hungry, so I'm excited to eat, and then we're probably gonna get coffee after. We came to Inca Grill and I got some chicken, and then there was some gnocchi, which looks really good with pesto, and then Natalie got some steak and other things, but it's really cute in here. And we're right in the main square. This is the main square in Cusco. It's super pretty. Oh my god, I got that on vlog. Almost died. We are at Museo Del Cafe, is that it? Yeah, and we're on a little balcony right now. I think I'm just gonna get a coffee of some sort because I'm pretty full from the lunch we just had. It's kind of dark, but you can see that it's really pretty up there and all over there. I got a mochaccino. Ignore the loud concert music in the back, but it looks really good. And there is the inside. Hello guys, it is actually the next day. I didn't vlog a ton yesterday just because we got so tired and came back to the hotel and kind of just chilled for a bit. I'm not feeling too great today. My stomach feels kind of weird, but I'm just hoping for the best. But Natalie and I just got ready. We are leaving our hotel in Cusco today to go to the Sacred Valley. I think we're gonna be driving a lot of today and like making stops along the way.
You wanna use your cute one? Wait.
I was trying to like film it at the same time.
Aw.
Look at that one. It's so funny looking.
Oh, he's gonna get all of them.
Oh my gosh.
This one has a long neck, so he wants it.
I like the brown one. Look at it. Look at its eyes.
It's gonna eat me.
Oh my god, it's massive. I kind of hate it.
You want this?
Dark chocolate.
Hi. Hello, big boy.
He's posing for you. He's.
Oh my god.
Very like the coins you gave him.
Oh my god. Hello. That is not normal.
Not an alpaca or a llama. That's like 8, like 3 of them.
What we can use for combustion, for fire? Alpacas and llamas poop, guys. You can see. You see, that is also we use the alpaca's poop in order to make fire. That means when you are cooking your food here, that means you have to cover very well. If not, your food gonna be or gonna smell as alpaca poop too. Not good.
We are currently at the Pisac market. I just got a sweater here because I found one that was cute and it's really cold. It's super windy, but it's really cool here. There's a lot of different vendors. I think we're gonna go get a coffee or something. So that was part 1 of my daily vlogs from Peru. I will be uploading a part 2 and you guys will see me do Machu Picchu, Rainbow Mountain, and the Jungle Lodge in that one. So it's definitely gonna be packed full. Make sure you are keeping your eye out for that. And yeah, as always, I love you guys so much and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.